Folifort. Hello people, today I will present Folifort that will leave your hair simply wonderful. My name is Priscilla and today I'm here to share a very important issue about the product Folifort. Before you buy this product, I have a very important warning to give you if you are in fact buying this product by the official site, and to help you I left the official site link in the description of the video. Folifort will bring you the hair that you had when you were 20. Your hair will be stronger because it has a patented natural formula to stimulate your scalp. You will say goodbye to thinning hair, and there are many customers who have reinvigorated their hair with this product. When the researcher of the formula began to carry out the research, he would not imagine that it would achieve the dream of so many people to bring vigor to the hair and thus more beautiful and healthy. The ingredients are biotin, also known as vitamin B7, zinc, vitamin B5, helps rebuild your individual hair shafts, protecting your follicles. Nettle are rich in silica that work to make your hair shinier and healthier. White peony is an increasingly popular supplement due to its ability to support hair growth from the inside out. It has worked for many people, and this formula even comes with a 60-day money-back satisfaction guarantee. The formula contains all the most powerful ingredients for your hair rejuvenated, strong, vigorous, and to have lots of hair. It also brings more security to rejuvenate your hair the natural way. Strict quality control measures are applied when testing Folifort. That's a total of 12 natural ingredients, 7 years of research, 150,000 happy customers, and 5 nutrients. Take advantage of this opportunity to transform your hair. I'm done here. I hope I haven't left you with any questions. Bye.